Welcome back! In this video, I'll show you how to create a minimal portrait poster and how to use layer masks in banner, poster, or similar design projects. I'll leave the model link in the description box so you can follow along. After importing the image, we'll separate the model from the background. Right-click on the layer mask and adjust the settings as shown in the video, because I want the hair edges to look a bit cleaner. Feel free to tweak the settings until you get the result you like. Then press Enter. Next, drag the model layer below the solid color layer and reduce the opacity of the solid color to 80%, because I want the model to appear slightly visible underneath. Now we'll duplicate 2 more model layers and move them above the solid color layer. For model layer 1, right-click and choose Apply Layer Mask. Then right-click again and convert it into a smart object, because we're going to apply another effect to this layer. Next, create a vertical rectangle using the color shown in the video. Hold Ctrl and click the rectangle layer to create a selection. Then select Model Layer 1, click the layer mask, and you'll get a mask with the same size as the rectangle. Use a white brush with 50% opacity to reveal part of the model inside the mask. Now open the glass texture layer and change the blend mode to multiply. This blend mode removes the white areas and blends the texture with the layers below. For model layer 2, we'll also convert it to a smart object. Then, create a mask again by holding Ctrl and clicking the rectangle layer. This time, use a white brush with 100% opacity to reveal all the hidden parts. While using the brush, if you want to hide parts again, press X on the keyboard to switch the brush color to black. I'll do this around the hair edges because I don't want the outline to look too harsh. Alright, now let's add some text. I'm using a serif font for this poster because it looks elegant and slightly classic. Drag the text below the glass texture layer so it blends better with the design. I'll speed up this part while I decorate the text a bit more. After a few final adjustments, our poster is done. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned some new techniques. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one!